Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alisia.B, and today we got a good one. Y'all, in today's video we are doing a style, and the style is a U-part wig. I have not worn a wig in probably almost a year. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Ever since I relaxed my hair, I have not been really doing protective hairstyles like that. Well, I lied, I did braids, but you know, it's not wigs. I'm gonna be using my T3 flat iron to style this wig. Now I'm trying to stay away from the heat and just regain the strength of my strands, because I don't know if you noticed, the back of my hair is just mainly my natural hair, and about this much, I'll say this much of the hair on top is natural and the rest is relaxed. So you guys have seen this wig before. This is actually a wig I've talked about multiple times. This wig is from All Love on AliExpress. To me, this is one of the best vendors on Ali. Hopefully they still sell this hair, because this hair is about 2 years old now and it's still holding up good. It washes well, it doesn't shed, it's full from root to tip. Y'all, like, look at that. It's such a good wig. This hair is already washed. I always tell you guys, if you guys are wearing wigs, clip-ins, weave, whatever the case may be, always wash your hair prior to install, because you don't know where that hair has been and you don't want to put any germs in your hair. So this wig comes with a lot of protection. It has 1, 2, 3 clips at the front here, and then it has 3 clips on the side and at the bottom here. I don't like the clips. I take them out. The reason being is because I find they pull on your hair, and I'm not trying to be bald again. I'm trying to like regain back all my hair strands I lost from postpartum. So I cut the clips off, and what I tend to do is I tend to sew it, just because number 1, it lasts longer, so I don't have to keep on reinstalling it every single day. 2 is less tension, and 3 is just easier for me. That's it. I just want to make my life easier. So before I continue, I just want to say, do you guys peep the edges growing back, y'all? If you know that postpartum has taken a toll. It's grown back and I'm happy for that. So all the clips are gone from inside the wig, and that's exactly what we want. So before we even get back to that, we're gonna start braiding our hair. I don't leave a lot out because obviously I don't want my hair to get heat damage. I'm just going to leave probably this much out. From here you have 2 options. You can either slick your hair back in a ponytail and leave it like that and add the wig on, or you could braid it. For me, I'm going to braid it because, like I said, I sew my wigs onto my hair to make it last a little bit longer, so that way I'm not reinstalling it every single day. That defeats the purpose of a protective hairstyle. Braid my hair back, not small at all. That way I could thread my needle through my hair and not feel any hair pulling, and something that's like really quick, because again, you're not showing the braids or anything, so it doesn't need to be neat at all. I'm going to do like an anchor braid around the leave out, so that way we could sew the hair right by the leave out, so you won't see the separation and it blends flawlessly. And it doesn't have to be big, just make it small enough that way you could sew the weft onto it, so that way the wig lays flat and it's a nice seamless finish. This is how my hair looks when it is all done. Again, it doesn't have to be neat. Just make sure that it's flat. For the thread part, you want to make sure that your thread is not too long that it gets tangled, especially if you're not used to working with needles and thread for your hair. I like to do mine arms width, so literally my arm span, I guess that's what you could call it. So double the thread, tie the ends, and use a curved needle. Some people use straight needles as well. That's fine, whatever you're comfortable with, that's what you're gonna use. And then we're gonna sew the wig onto our hair. So you wanna make sure that you position the wig first so that way it doesn't look lopsided. But because it is a U part, you kind of could get away with it. But if it was any other way, you wanna make sure that you measure it well and that it is centered on your head. So what you can do is, if you have like an alligator clip, you could use, or duck bill, whatever you guys call these, you could use this and just kind of tack the hair onto the wig with the clip, and it will stay in place as you sew it down. And then you just start sewing the hair. I like to start from the back and then make my way around, but you guys can start wherever you're comfortable. It's honestly so easy. It doesn't have to be neat. As long as it's secured on your head, you're good to go. Okay guys, so I'm done sewing my hair on. It is nice and secured, and that means my hair is going to be done for a couple of days. So if you guys have not sewn on a wig before, suggest you do it. I highly suggest you do it because it is so convenient. It's so good. Oh, I just love doing it. I'm gonna leave the leave out for last, and I'm actually gonna press out this hair. So even though it is weave, I still like to put heat protector on it because weave is an investment, y'all. Like, this is not cheap, okay? So I'm gonna use my same heat protector that I use all the time, and then I'm gonna get to flat iron with the T3. I'm actually gonna change my shirt because flat iron gets so hot. So let's change it. So much better, y'all. Oh, so much better. So this is the T3 Lucia 1.5 inch. Ooh, it looks so pretty. This is my second T3 hair product or hair tool. I had the curling iron, and it has the power button right here, and also has 9 settings. So I'm assuming that it goes up to 9 different temperatures, but I've wanted to try a T3 product for so long, and I finally have the chance to, so let's get started. This flat iron actually heated up really quickly, like 30 seconds, and it's already hot. Yeah, I'm excited. I love to do the chase method. I just feel like my hair just gets the best result from it. This flat iron like glides so smoothly, and it hasn't snagged my hair once. Like, it's so good. I get the hype. I get the hype, y'all. I get the hype. Yo, I don't know if you guys can see this, but my roots are straight. And my hair is so light, and I only did the one pass and it works so good. Look at my hair. I'm excited to try this on my whole head, but for now, because my hair is kinkier than the hair is like bone straight, my hair is yucky. You could kind of see the difference, not too much though. I'm gonna try blend it in as much as I can, but yeah, T3, you got it. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a hack that a lot of people don't know, and I'm gonna put you guys on, okay? So look, you see how your natural hair and the weave has like a big separation right there and right there as well? Yo, clip-ins, okay? Clip-ins, tape-ins, anything that adds the hair right here would work. A lot of people actually glue it as well, so I just use clip-ins, you guys. That is honestly the easiest thing you could do, and it makes the biggest difference. So let me show you. So you take your leave out, part it in half, take your clip-in, and that's it, y'all. Big difference, small change. Look at this compared to this. Oof. Yo, when I found that hack, I swear it was the best thing I found. Such a big difference, y'all. Oh, I love it. Part it, take your clip in. Big difference, y'all. Big difference. Then you could take your flat iron and then you could just blend it in, and chef kiss, you're done. Hair feels so much better because the ends are really dry anyway, but they feel so good. So usually I'll take a wax stick and just put it on the top just to blend my leave out a little bit, but because my leave out looks really good, I'm telling you, the clip-ins really help with the seamless look as well. I don't need it, and because I just washed my hair, I don't want to put too much product in it anyway. Ugh, I miss a good U-part wig, y'all. I really do. So my review on the T3 is, it's good, you guys. It works. You only need one pass, which allows you to have a less risk of having heat damage on your hair. As you guys can see, my hair is really thick on the top, and I got it. It looks nice and thin. It looks good. It looks straight. It didn't snag. The plaits were really smooth, y'all. Like, I've never felt my hair feel this smooth against two plaits like this before. I'll give this a solid 10. Like, I get why people are T3 girlies, and yeah, I've become one. So now that this hairstyle is done, what do you guys think about it? Do you guys like it? Do you guys hate it? Do you guys think it's meh? I just love a bust down middle part wig, y'all. I think I did pretty good for not doing it in a while. The blend is good. Well, we have reached the end of another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think about this hairstyle. I honestly love a middle part bust down. I think it works for me all the time. I did miss it, and I'm happy that I did it because I forgot how I looked in it, and I think I look good. If I could grow my hair to this length, I would, and I would not cut it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you also learned something, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Okay, I'm watching. Thank you guys so much for watching again. I love you. Bye.